my final space in statistics and probability. I have two examples for the ungrouped data. We're going to get the range, variance, standard deviation, quartile, decile, and percentile. Okay, here's the first given data. Scores of IT students in their midterm exam. Given are 10 scores like 25, 24, 23, 21, 20, 19, 15, 14, 12, and 11. So first we're going to get the range. Here's the solution. On getting the range, first you need to locate the highest value and the lowest value. Here in the given, the highest value was 25 and the lowest was 11. So you're gonna get the difference and we're gonna have a total of 14 for the range. Now, in getting the variance, step 1, you need to get the mean. For this data, the mean was 18.4. Step 2, get the difference from the mean and the data, each data. And then step 3, square each total data. And step 4, going to divide it with the number of data. So here we got 232.4 divided by 10. So the variance is 23.24. In getting standard deviation, you need just to square root the total variance. So we got here 23.24 and the square root of it was 4.82. So the standard deviation was 4.82. Now we're going to get the quartile of the given data. Here I rewrite it from descending to ascending order. For the quartile, first you need to get the number of data which is equivalent to n is equals to 10. And the formula for the lower quartile, which is Q1, is 0.25 times n plus 1. Substitute n for 10 and 0.25 times 10 plus 1 is equivalent to 0.25 times 11 and the total was 2.75. 2.75, you're going to round it up to be a whole number, so it will be 3. So the lower quartile is the third data, which is 14. Same with the median. The difference was, you just need to substitute the 0.50 from 0.25. So Q2 is equal to 0.50 times n plus 1. It's equal to 6.50 times 10 plus 1, 0.50 times 11. The total was 5.5, and round up again, it will give you 6. So the median is the 6 data, which is 20. So Q2 is equals to 20. Same with the upper quartile, you're going to use 0.75 times n plus 1. It's equivalent to 0.75 times 10 plus 1, 0.75 times 11. You have set 8.25, you're going to round it up, it will become 8. So the 8 data was 23. So Q3 is equivalent to 23. Okay, the next one was, we're going to get the decile. So here it was asked for the third decile, the fifth decile, and the seventh decile. So the formula for the decile was dk is equivalent to k over 10 times n plus 1. So k here stands for the position of the decile. So we got again the n for number 10, then decile is equivalent to, first for the d3 is equivalent to 3 over 10 times n plus 1. So 3 over 10 times 10 plus 1 is equivalent to 3 over 10 times 11. So the answer was 3.3. Going to round it up, we'll have 3. So the third decile was on the third position, which is 14. D3 is equivalent to 14. Next one is the D5. So substitute again the k for 5. 5 over 10 times n plus 1 is equivalent to 5 over 10 times 10 plus 1. 5 over 10 times 11 is equivalent to 5.5. Round it up again. So we're going to have a 6. So the 6th data was 20. So fifth decile was number 20. Next was D7. Substitute again the k for 7. 7 over 10 times n plus 1. So 7 over 10 times 10 plus 1 is equivalent to 7 over 10 times 11. We'll have 7.7. If we round it up, we're going to be 8. So the 8 number was 23. So D7 is equivalent to 23. Next one was percentile. Percentile formula was pk is equivalent to k over 100 times n plus 1. So k, substitute it for the rank of percentile that was asked, which is 48. So 48 over 100 times 10 plus 1, 48 over 100 times 11 is equals to 5.28. Round it up again. So we're going to have a 5. So the fifth data was 19. So P48 is equivalent to 19. Here's the second given data. So the score of top 10 students who got the highest score in their entrance examination. Here we got 83, 85, 85, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 92, and 95. So first we're going to get the range. So again, the solution. Range is equivalent to highest value minus lowest value, which is 95 for the highest value and 83 for the lowest value. So we got here 12 for the range. Next one was the variance. Again, step 1, get the mean. So the mean for this one is 89. Step 2, get the difference from the mean and the data, each data. Then step 3, we're going to square all the total data. Step 4, get the sum of all the squared data and then divide it by n, which is 10. So the variance is 12.8. In getting the standard deviation, you're going to square root the variance, which is 12.8, and the square root of 12.8 is 3.58. So the standard deviation was 3.58. And now we're going to get the quartile for the second given data. So we're going to rewrite it from descending to ascending order. In getting quartile, first you get the number of data, which is 10. Q1 for lower quartile, Q1 is equivalent to 0.25 times n plus 1, 0.25 times n plus 1, so 0.25 times 11, we got 2.75, round it up, we got 3, so the third data was the lower quartile, which is 85. For the median, we're going to get it by using the formula 0.50 times n plus 1. So 0.50 times 11, and we got here 5.5. Round it up, we're going to have 6. So the 6th data was 90. The median is the 6th data, which is 90. Next one, for the upper quartile, Q3 is equivalent to 0.75 times n plus 1, 0.75 times 10 plus 1, 0.75 times 11 is equals to 8.25. So round up, we're going to have 8. So the upper quartile is the 8th data, which is 92. Q3 is equivalent to 92. Now we're going to get the decile for the second given data. So again, the formula for decile was dk is equivalent to k over 10 times n plus 1. Here was asked for the fourth decile. So we're going to use 4 over 10 times n plus 1. 4 over 10 times 10 plus 1 is equals to 4 over 10 times 11. The answer was 4.4. Round it up and we're going to get a 4. So the fourth data or the fourth decile was 88. Next, for the 8th decile, 8 over 10 times n plus 1. 8 over 10 times 10 plus 1 is equals to 8 over 10 times 11. The answer was 8.8. Round it up and we're going to have a 9. So the 9th data was 92. So the 8th decile was 92. Next one is the 9th decile. So 9 over 10 times n plus 1. 9 over 10 times n plus 1 is equals to 9 over 10 times 11. So we got 9.9. Round it up, we're going to have a 10. So the 10th data was 95 and the 9th decile was 95. The next one was percentile. So here was asked for the 59th percentile. So pk is equivalent to k over 100 times n plus 1. So k here was 59 over 100 times 10 plus 1. 59 over 100 times 11 is equals to 6.49. Round it up, we're going to have 6. So the 6 data was 90. So the rank 59 percentile was 90.